We all know that Earth is the only planet that has life on it. From air to water to food, everything is provided to us by the Earth, and thus we call it Mother Earth. We are exploiting our so-called Mother Earth for many years by using its resources vulgarly and without giving back anything for its further growth. For example, to live, we are exploiting many lands by cutting down trees to build home, industry, and more. But we don't bother about planting them again. To deal with the above problem and to save Mother Earth, we need to adopt various measures of conservation. Ways to save Mother Earth includes planting trees. Trees provide food and oxygen. They help save energy, clean the air, and help combat climate change. Creating awareness among community by creating a poster or a slogan. Proper waste disposal and management can be done by applying the 3 R's: reduce, reuse, and recycle. Reducing means lessening the amount of trash or garbage produced. Reusing refers to using materials more than once. And recycling means creating new material or product out of trash or garbage. To save our Mother